Yeah, so welcome to Mwalimu Ignatius, our home YouTube channel for mathematics. And you're going to cover Form 3 mathematics. And I've provided a question here on the quadratics, that is completing square method. So completing square method. So that's the question that I've provided here on this board. So that is Form 3 mathematics, quadratics. So for x using completion square method to solve this question. So let's see how you do this question. Now, solution. Now, when you are given a quadratic equation and you want to solve using the completion square method. Now, step number 1 is that the coefficient of x squared should be 1. That's where you start. That's the starting point. That the coefficient of x squared is 1. So therefore, you take this minus 2x squared plus x plus 36 equals 0. Equals 0 there. You are supposed to divide until you get the coefficient of x squared is 1. So you divide all terms by -2. So you get this is x squared minus a half x minus 18 equals 0. That's step number 1. You make the coefficient of x squared equals 1. Step number 1. Step number 2 is you are supposed to take this minus 18 to the right so that you have x squared minus a half x is equal to 18. You have that one so that you can complete the square for the first part. You get x squared minus a half x plus c is equal to 18 plus c. So when you add c here, you have already completed the square. And then the c that you add here, you also get it on the other side. You add it on both sides, the c. But how do you get the c? The c, when the coefficient of x squared, c is always equal to b over 2 squared. The value of b over 2 squared, that's c. So therefore, this b, our a is 1 now, our b is negative. A is 1, b is minus a half. Sasa, we want to get c. So the c that you must add in both sides. So on both sides must be b over 2 squared. Our b is minus 1, minus a half. So minus a half divided by 2 squared. This will be minus a quarter squared. That's the one that you're adding. Because this is minus a half divided by 2 is the same as minus a half times 1 over 2. You get minus a quarter. Then you square. So this becomes 1 over 16. So the c that you're adding would be 1 over 16. C will be 1 over 16. That's what you do. You are adding c. So therefore, you rewrite this equation again now. You say x squared minus a half x plus 1 over 16 is equals to 18 plus 1 over 16. You add c on both sides. Remember, you're completing the square. So that's what you do. So, can you add 18 plus 1 over 16 becomes 18 1 over 16. Then this one, you get x squared minus a half x plus 1 over 16 is equal to 18 1 over 16. That's what you do. And now since you want to solve the value of x using completing square method, you want to solve for the value of x using the completing square method. So what you do, you take this x, we write it on this side, x squared minus a half x plus 1 over 16 is equals to 18 1 over 16. Once you get that. So this one now, you are supposed to factorize this. This one you factorize because it's already perfect. It's already perfect square. You are supposed to factorize this. And how do you factorize? You don't again find a, b, c, the product, sum in the product method. No. This b that you got, our b was a half, negative a half. What is b over 2? The value that you got here was negative a quarter. It's negative a quarter. That was the value of. That was b over 2 now. The b over 2 that you got here, when you factorize this, you'd get x minus a quarter. squared. This value that you got here, x squared minus half x plus 1 over 16. So b over 2 is negative half divided times a half, which you divide by 2, get this, negative a quarter. So there's negative a quarter. It's like now you're finding the square root of this and the square root of this. And then this one, remember, it was negative. So that's why you are writing negative a half, negative a quarter. So therefore, it's like you find the square root of this, but this now, because of this sign, this was negative, it is this. So now you have factorized this. Squared is equal to 18, 1 over 16. That's what you do. That's what you do. So therefore, now you find the square root of both sides, because this squared. The square root of this side, square root of that side, and the square root of this side. So square root of 18 over 1 over 16. Here this 18, square root here, okay? It is 4.25. So x minus is equal to plus or minus 4.25. 4.25, that's square root. 4.25, 4.25. So a square root is always either plus or minus. So don't just write plus. So plus or minus, take this to the right. So x will be equals to plus or minus 4.25 plus, this is a quarter, means it is 0.25 if you write in decimals. So now in this case, you get the two values of x. The two values of x that you get, x will be equals to 4. When it is positive, 4.5, or when it's negative, that would be negative 4. And these are the two values of x. Those are the two values of x. For that question, the two values of x in that question. So that is how you deal with that kind of question, completing square method. Completing square method. So that's what you do. So make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1, divide by 2 by 2. Then from there, you take a negative 18 to the right. Becomes 18. Becomes 18 now. Then from there, what do? You take x squared minus half x plus c equals to 18 plus c. The c you are adding on both sides. And how you get the c is always b over 2 squared. The c, negative a half divided by 2 squared, that will be c 1 over 16. You rewrite x squared minus half x plus 1 over 16 equals to 18 now, plus 1 over 16, you get this. After this step, you go to that step now, where now you factorize this. Okay, factorize, you are supposed to use the factors that you got. The b over 2 that you got will be this. X squared, this was x squared, so it's like you find the square root of this, and then b over 2, negative half divided by 2, get negative a quarter into bracket squared is equal to now that one, 18 and 1 over 16. Then you find the square root of this side and that side. X is equal to 4.5 or negative 4. X equal to 4.5 or negative 4. So that's what you do. So that is Mwalimu Ignatius WAHOME YouTube channel. So thank you for the lesson. So keep your subscription so that you can learn more topics in Form 3, Form 4, and even in Form 2 topics. There are so many topics in this channel. So welcome.